Hello class, welcome to English literature class. Myself Mrs. Karminder. So today we are going to start with the second term. We are going to start with Dreaming of the Dawn Wall from your English Oxford book. So these are the main two characters of this chapter about whom we are going to learn. Tommy Colville, he was born on August 11, 1978. He is an American rock climber accomplished in sport climbing, hard traditional climbing, big wall speed climbing, and big wall free climbing. Colville made the first free ascents of several El Capitan routes in Yosemite National Park. Kevin Johnson, he was born on October 7, 1984. He is an expert American rock climber. He was one of the first two climbers alongside his climbing partner Tommy Colville to successfully complete a free climb of the Dawn Wall of El Capitan in Yosemite National Park. So here you can see the cliff, that is El Capitan, which is in Yosemite. It is 3000 foot. So now this is the brief summary of the chapter. In January 2015, American rock climbers Tommy Colville and Kevin Johnson captivated the world with their effort to climb the Dawn Wall, a seemingly impossible 3000 foot rock face in Yosemite National Park, California. The pair left on the sheer vertical cliff for weeks, igniting a frenzy of global media attention. But for Tommy Colville, the Dawn Wall was much more than just climb. It was the culmination of a lifetime defined by overcoming obstacles. At the age of 22, the climbing prodigy was taken hostage by rebels in Kyrgyzstan shortly after he lost his index finger in an accident but resolved to come back stronger. When his marriage fell apart, he escaped the pain by fixating on the extraordinary goal of free climbing the Dawn Wall. Blurring the line between the dedication and obsession, Colville and his partner spent 6 years meticulously plotting and practicing their route. So children, to know more about the story, let's see the video. Welcome to your English literature class. Let's begin with chapter number 5 of your reader book. And name of your chapter is Dreaming of the Dawn Wall. Children, I have divided this chapter into 4 sections so as to make it easy for you to understand. So let's begin with section 1. So it starts from California, stretches to serious climbers is Tommy Colville on page 71. Section 2, it starts from climbers need to be fit to route in one trip, page 71. Section 3, it starts from in 2000, Tommy to cliff face to another, page 72. Section 4, it starts from Tommy and Kevin began to take nearly 18 days on page 73. So let's begin with section 1. What is in section 1, children? The first paragraph talks about geographical variety of California. The second paragraph leads readers on the topic of rock climbing by describing the rock formations of Yosemite. The third paragraph explains the activity of rock climbing and introduces to Tommy Colville. To sum up, I may say now, California is renowned for the variety it offers by the way of geographical features. One famous area popular with tourists is Yosemite National Park, which has been declared a World Heritage Site. It is a dream destination for rock climbers as there are many amazing rock formations there, of which 2 monoliths are the most famous. Rock climbing can be of different types depending on the methods adopted. Tommy Colville is a person skilled in all types of climbing and is held in high regard by serious climbers. So now section 2. What is in section 2? This section talks about the physical attributes needed by a climber and mentions how Tommy Colville has all of them. It goes on to tell the readers how Tommy became a climber and lists some of his conquests. It also talks about Tommy's dream of free climbing the dawn wall of El Capitan. To sum up, I may say now, Tommy Caldwell is said to possess all the attributes required by a person to become a good climber. Tommy's talent had been spotted at a young age and nurtured by his father, and some of his achievements in rock climbing are truly amazing considering the young age at which they were accomplished. Tommy enjoys climbing in Yosemite and has tried many of the routes of El Capitan, a sheer cliff which poses a tough challenges to climbers. His dream was to free climb the Dawn Wall, the most difficult route up El Capitan, in one trip. So now section 3, children. What is in section 3? This section deals with two life-altering events in Tommy's life and how he overcame seemingly unsurmountable obstacles to continue rock climbing, even when many had thought his climbing career was over. In 2000, Tommy and 3 other climbers had been captured and held hostage by Zobek rebels. After 6 days, they managed to escape and found help after a long trek. In 2001, an accident maimed Tommy and many thought his climbing career was over, as he had only 9 good fingers left. However, everyone was astounded to see Tommy's climbing technique improve as being both mentally and physically strong. He faced all challenges boldly. Tommy trained hard regularly with his climbing partner. Tommy planned how to climb the Dawn Wall of El Capitan, one of the most arduous climbs in the world because of the level of difficulty presented by the cliff to climbers who attempt to accomplish the Herculean task. So children, section 4. What is in section 4 now? This section describes how Tommy Caldwell and his climbing partner Kevin Georges became the first persons to free climb up the Dawn Wall of El Capitan, one of the toughest climbs in the world. So children, what is in now this 4th section? To sum up, I may say, Tommy and Kevin began their climb on 27 December 2014 with their friends providing them water and mental support. The first week went well, but at the notorious pitch 15 of the Dawn Wall, although Tommy succeeded in climbing it and moved on, Kevin fell, and despite trying hard, was stuck there for 10 days. Tommy patiently waited for his friend. Finally, on 9 January, Kevin made it and the crew on the ground who were supporting them celebrated. That very day, Tommy and Kevin became the first persons to free climb up the Dawn Wall of El Capitan. This tremendous feat took them nearly 18 days. To put this in perspective, the fact that it had taken Tommy only 24 hours to free climb the Select Wall, that is another 3,000-foot route up El Capitan, not once but twice suffices to explain the enormity of the challenge posed by the Dawn Wall. Thank you.